In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can transfer your ownership on your Discord server. So let's get started. So first is that you want to open up your Discord app on your mobile device and then log in into your account that is the owner of that server. Otherwise, you wouldn't have enough permission to transfer the ownership of your Discord server. Once you're here in the server, is that you just simply want to go into tapping your Discord server name right here in the top. Tap on it. And now from here is that you would want to go into settings. So tap here on settings on the right side. And in here is that you just simply need to scroll down. And from here, you should see members right here. Tap on it. And you should see all the members in here. So make sure to select the member or the correct member in here that you'd want to transfer the ownership into. So in this one, I'll just go for this one right here. And now from here is that you would want to tap here on transfer ownership at the very bottom. So you want to tap on it. And from here, you want to go here into checking this circle right here to acknowledge that you are transferring the ownership of this server. Tap on it and then tap on transfer. And now in here, all you have to do now is to input a verification code that is sent to your email that is associated to your Discord account. So make sure to check that email out and just input the verification code in here and then tap here on transfer ownership. After that, it will now be processed for transferring the ownership, and that's it. Take note that this will not be reversible once the process has been done. Then the only way to get it back is if the person will give the ownership back to you. So this is it for this tutorial on how you could transfer your ownership for your Discord server to another user. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.